conditional statement. So conditional statement requires usually we use the compare two numbers, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater or equal to, greater than, equal to. And the simplest you can do is a if statement. Here is I have two variable a and b equal to 2 and 1, and here if a bigger than b, then message I like this class, a less than b I hate this class, and 2 bigger than 1 here. So only the first statement execute. The second statement is not true, so you will not be execute. So let's see the code here. So I have a file here. If statement is the first one, simple if. So this one. So if I run this, as you expect, I will say I like this class because here 2 bigger than 1, so this keep being execute. And this is not true, so this will not be execute. So next is a little bit more complicated, if else, which means if it's true, the first statement execute, else if that's not true, the alternative will execute. So this means that within this statement, one of them will be execute. So here a is less than b, so you can see the first statement, I like this module, will not be there, but I hate this module, will be there. So let's see the code. So here I have a if else here. If a bigger than b, which is not true, so this will not be executed. And the second one, else statement, will be executed. So let's run it. Let's run this. So I hate this mode. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing is a little bit more complicated. If we have three things, else if else. So if a bigger than b, this is true, executed. If else if a less than b, that will be executed. If a equal to b, then else is what's left is a equal to b, and this will be executed. So here a and b equal to 1. So the first statement is not true, second statement is not true, the first statement is true, so the last statement will be executed. So let's see the code here. Okay. So here we have statement a equal to 1, b equal to 1. Okay. And this statement not execute, this is not, and this will execute. So let's try. Execute it. Okay. Natural towards the module. So if you change it to 2, okay, then the first statement is not true, the second statement is true. So we should be able to see I hate this module. Okay. And if you instead change the a to 3, so which is the first statement is true, so I should expect I like this module. Okay. So this is how the if, else are being used. Thank you for listening.